Hi, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today we're going to be doing part one of a two-part video. We're going to pour acrylic over a 12 by 12 canvas, and we're going to leave negative space on this one. And in part two, we're going to come back and resin it. So let's get set up and get started. I'm using a 12 by 12 canvas for this art project. I've put a coat of white on it for the reason being that I want to leave negative space on this project. Sometimes for me, that seems to be easier said than done. I start liking how it looks and I'm like, oh, let's just cover it up. But we're gonna give it a shot. I have an antique metallic gold that I'm gonna be using, and I've got this burnt umber brown and black. So I've considered doing this one of two ways, and this is what my final is, I think, is we're just going to do individual pours here. I'm not gonna do a dirty pour. So I'm just gonna start with my gold, brown, and my black. Okay, we're gonna start manipulating the paint here. See what we need to add. And I am looking for a very expensive little tool over here that I can't seem to locate. Okay, so I have my very, very expensive little tool here. It may be more expensive in coming days than it is right now, but it's a straw. And let's see. Set that. I'm gonna add more paint. I kind of, just wanted to make sure before I just poured it all on here that it was gonna, like I said, I wanted to leave some negative space, so I didn't want to pour so much that I just totally covered the whole thing instantly. If that makes sense, I hope. Want it to run over the edges on this bottom side or top side, whichever way it may end up looking the best. Now this is, I also need to mention this is going to be part one, because what I want to do with this project after our paint dries is to come back in and we're going to put a coat of resin on top. So this will be a two-part video. Getting a little movement that direction. like the gold in here. I think this metallic gold is really pretty. Get some more gold out. I really am liking the way these, the brown and the black look together. I think that's really pretty. Yeah, we're getting a little movement going. Now, this little piece right here that I wasn't wanting in there, let's see if we can get rid of that. I'm going to come back and put some more white on that shortly. It's like a slow moving train right now. There we go. I've got a little bit. I really want to leave those much like they're forming. I just think that's pretty cool looking. Okay, and that's all we're gonna do today to this one. We're gonna let this paint dry, and in part 2, we're gonna come back and cover it in resin. So be sure and check back in. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave me a message. Also, I hope you will like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Anyway, whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it. Don't forget to come back and check out part 2.